Ooh, look what we got now. We have a new sponsor. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and talk about it and see how this thing works. We're going to try it out. Alright, we have the Omnia oven where it turns your stovetop into an oven. Say what? Yep, we're going to try it out with some Walmart cinnamon rolls. But in this kit right here, it's your basic kit. You get the lid. I call this look like a bump pan. And this is the base. And if you go on their website, you can design and style however you want. But the thermostat does not come with in this kit. You have to order it separate. You can order it on their website or on Amazon Prime. So let's get this thing started. Now some say they spray the pan down so the food don't stick, and some say they do. But I like to play it on the smart side. Now they do have a silicone mode that goes in here so food don't stick. And they have silicone mode so you can make muffins. They just got all kinds of accessories. They got a bacon rack that goes down in there. You can make, they say you can make casseroles in this. Pizza ring. Just, it's unlimited what you can do with it. So let's get it tried out here. Now it says we're going to cook them with these cooked at 375 for approximately 13 to 15 minutes. So we're going to see if this actually works or not. I hear a lot of talk about this thing. Okay, we're just going to place them around in here. This looks like it could be very interesting. I didn't think all these would fit in there. This is just, you know, one little small can of cinnamon rolls. Of course, you know, you really don't want them touching too much because they will expand. But there they all are. Okay, now to turn my stovetop into an oven. This could be very interesting. Remember, gas stove or a propane, one of those little outdoor propane stoves. You can't just put this on top of electric oven. But that thermostat is very important. I gotta wait for it to get to about 375. So this makes it, you know, camping very simple. I've seen several channels use this when I was doing some research, and there's Facebook groups telling all about the different things they've made in them, and really a lot of them are really truly amazing. I understand it does not work on electric top range. Ooh, this is gonna be cool. I can't wait. I'm one of those cooks that's got a peep in there. So let's take a little peep. Nothing doing yet. So we'll come back and see what happens here. Remember, in the kit comes with a cookbook. Now what? I warn you. This product is a Sweden product. So a lot of things, there's going to be a lot of things here. You'll see the less Swedish writing. But here's all the different products you can get. I mean, look at this. They even got a bigger ring. See that bigger ring right there? That you can put inside that so you can make like a bundt cake. And in the kit you will get a carrying case. Yeah, this is the carrying case that comes in the kit. Isn't that cool? Keep everything all together for you. And they got other bigger carrying cases. Right there's a bigger one. But this cookbook's got different recipes in here for you. It's really nice. But look at all that. I mean, it's great for those van campers and stuff that only need little small appliances, but want that oven and don't have it. I think I even seen Bob Wells use this. So, this is going to be interesting. I got to take a peek again. Nothing in there. Let's see where temperature is at. It's getting up there. Let's see. I wonder if I better turn that burner down so I don't get so hot so quick. This is my first time ever using it, so it's kind of experimental. You're all going to see if it flops. Or if it works or not. Yeah, I think I'm going to end up getting this if I want to cook rolls or something like that. Don't know. Like I said, this is our first time using it. So you're going to see my fail because I'm not redoing this. They're black on the bottom. Oh my gosh. I burned them. My. I'm learning. I'm going to learn. But I did, spray the inside so the rolls wouldn't stick. Tucker, what do you think? I'm not eating no burnt cinnamon roll. No, not this boy. You're not a fine help. You're no help at all, Tucker. So what else is there? Anybody's tricks for keeping these from burning? Oh. Like I said, right off the bat, I think I had my burner up too high, the flame up too high under there. So, I don't know. Alright, I just taken them off. And I'm going to go here and put them on the plate. Alright. Oops! Oh, no.
Kind of chocolate brown there, darling. I think you had the heat too high.
I don't even think Tucker touched those. Oh no. Somebody please tell me what I did wrong.
Had the heat too high. There's $30 down the drain.
Oh, bull. You're full of it, Jim. Oh no. Oh. Not gonna be much left of them once you got the burn.
I don't think I'm gonna waste money, do you? I'm tight.
Is it good?
Good all but the burn part.
Can somebody please help me? Leave it in the comments and tell me what I've done wrong.
I had the heat up too long.
I mean, I don't know. It could have been I had it up too high.
You just need to barely turn it on, leave it on low. Low.
Oh, please send me
help.
help.
Smacking on it.
But the black part is the nutritious part. Charcoal's good for your body. And there's icing I'm supposed to put on them. Oh no.
Charcoal.
This is a flop.
Well, I'll still cut the burn off them and eat them.
I'll see y'all later. Please send help. Well, You got a little bit of icing on that one. Oh.
This is what you do.
Oh, come on. Eat the charcoal.
Love you, but not that much.
Oh. What's the secret to using Omnia oven? I don't know yet. I'm still experimenting. So it's yummy. Well, you got a little bigger piece right there. Jim, I'm not poisoning you on this. Oh, my, my, my.